just ahead on Good Day Oregon, Joe V is with some local kids and their award-winning robot.
He's in Lake Oswego with more from Team Access. Hey, Joe.
Well, what do you get when you mix video game controllers with robots and a team of bright young kids? You get a team of world champions based right here in Oregon. Their story coming up on Good Day Oregon, first live local.
Well, we are on the go with Joe, and we don't have to go too far this morning.
No.
He has spent some time with some local kids who have earned rave reviews for their robot.
Joe is in the studio with us today to tell us about this team of young champions. Quite impressive.
Yeah, good morning, Pete and Kim. And there's no question kids today are plugged into the latest tech, although in some cases it's just because they're glued to their smartphones or video game consoles. But a group of kids in Lake Oswego are using technology to be creative, exercise their brains, and win acclaim on a global stage. Inside this Lake Oswego garage is a high-tech playground, a classroom.
Now we have all of them.
And most of all,
This is our lab.
meet Team Access, a group of 14 students from Lake Oswego High School, and one very special creation.
This is Oscar. Yeah.
As you probably noticed, Oscar is a robot,
A wiffle ball collecting machine.
a project they built in this very garage for the First Tech Challenge, a robotics competition with more than 4,500 teams spread out across the globe.
As first like to say, it's the sport for the mind.
First Tech, or FTC, challenges its teams to design and build a robot for a very specific purpose. In this case, to play a game that involves scooping up balls and dropping them in a cylinder.
We have a vertical lift, which goes up to about 55 inches.
The amount of sensors we used was like absurd. A gyro sensor, a compass sensor, a sonar sensor that tells the distance.
The team built Oscar from scratch, competing in several tournaments throughout Oregon and California, fine-tuning him along the way. In some ways, they're part sports team and part tech startup.
We like to run our team like a small business, so we have a build team, programming team, and a business development team.
Eventually, they qualified for the FTC World Championships in St. Louis with the top 128 teams from 16 different countries.
South Korea, there were people from like China. It was awesome.
3, 2, 1, go!
Here it was not just about how many balls went in the cylinders. Teams were judged on a number of different criteria. And at the end of the competition, Team Access won the Control Award, what's essentially a world championship in one high-tech category.
The award for the best hardware and software integration. When we first heard, we were all pretty shocked.
And at a time when America's looking for young, brilliant minds, these kids all say they want their championship experience to lead to careers in science and engineering.
Keep doing this kind of stuff and trying to help people.
For now, Team Access can just take pride in a job well done, because sometimes it's not about whether you win or lose, but how you use your brain.
There we go.
And in addition to Access, 5 other Oregon teams qualified for the First Tech World Championships, and 2 of those teams were also finalists in the control category that Access won. So great showing by Oregon, and congratulations to all the kids who participated. Guys, we have a very smart state.
We do. Good for them. All right, Joe, thank you.